Today, we are going to create an academic article using 72 references for more than 10,000 pages. I have pre-populated the prompt I am going to use for each section of the article. I have also laid out the outline of the article within Inkwise. This time, we are using 72 academic references totaled more than 10,000 pages. Now, let us start. I will first copy the prompt I wrote so later I can paste it in the inline prompter to populate each section of the article in accordance with the outline. For my intro section, I will use the first 5 references. Notice how Inkwise AI is using the content of the relevant reference I selected to write the paragraphs in accordance with my requirements included in the selected outline. Let me continue populating the rest of the intro section. At the end of the intro section, I want to stop using the references and want AI to write based on the selected outline requirements only. After we finish part 1, let us continue with part 2. I will select different references for part 2. Again, for part 3, I need a different set of references. Notice when I populate the article based on the outline, I do it section by section. This way makes sure AI is generating concrete and most relevant content for each section. Throughout the process, I always delete and edit the content I feel that is not useful for my article. This is made possible because Inkwise AI itself is a document editor. Let us continue populating the rest of Part 3. Section by section, we are generating AI content based on the reference materials we selected. This is the best way to eliminate the risk of AI hallucination. If you feel AI-generated content is not as accurate as you expected it to be, you can always adjust your prompt or your selected text at any time for a better result. Let us continue with Part 4. Part 4 uses many references. Rest assured, Inkwise is able to match the most relevant content within the references with the prompt and the selected text to keep the AI writing relevant to your requirements. Now we are quickly at the last section of the article. By now, we have populated more than 10,000 words in accordance with the outline. Notice I keep adjusting the outline so once I select and pass it to AI content will be more relevant. I am going to deselect the references I don't need and select the last set of references for this section. Notice the speed of the AI generation varies for each prompt and section. This is because Inkwise AI is trying to find the most relevant information from the reference materials first and then write out the content with coherence based on your prompt and requirements. Basically a two-step process, it first searches and then it writes. Because sections are different, the time took for Inkwise AI to search varies. Now we are ready for the conclusion. The conclusion section does not need any references. So let us deselect all of them. Because it is the conclusion, I will select all the content within the article we generated so far and let Inkwise to conclude based on the entire content selected. After it generated the conclusion, I can also manually select and copy the text it generated to paste the content to where I would like it to be. Now, we have used AI to populate the content of the entire article. It is finally our human's turn to edit and rewrite the article. We no longer need the prompt paragraph, so I will delete it. Let me fix the formatting of the section 1 and remove the outline as well. I will do this editing for the introduction section as an example. As we are close to the end, I want to re-emphasize that you should rewrite the AI-generated content to make the article your own. Human writing is always superior. Now we are close to finish the section 1. I have shown you how to use Inkwise to write a robust academic writing using many references today. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.